Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn off talkback on Redmi mobile. Friends, we want to off talkback on Redmi mobile, so how to turn off talkback. So when by mistake you have on talkback, and guys now you want to stop, so how to stop, and you are not operating friends your Redmi mobile, so how to use Redmi phone and how to stop talkback, means how to turn off talkback. Then first of all use your two finger, then friends you can swipe, and friends you can use your Redmi phone. So friends one tap here, double tap, again friends use your two finger and guys scroll, because guys if you use one finger you cannot use your Redmi phone. Two finger, scroll, one finger, friends tap on setting, friends continue, two tap, friends click on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, any setting friends you can click here. After click and scroll with two finger, because guys if you use one finger you cannot scroll it, so use your two finger. Let's click on additional setting, double tap here, accessibility setting friends, one tap here, double tap here, friends click on vision setting, double tap, friends you can see talkback settings, select to speak setting, so friends click on talkback, double tap on talkback friends, one tap here, double tap friends, stop button setting, double tap here. Talkback off. Talkback will off on our device, and friends we can use our Redmi phone without talkback. One finger friends you can use your Redmi phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn off talkback on Redmi mobile.